Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the BoxyCharm Premium December box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were some Ipsy spoilers for December. Congratulations, Five Flames. Five Flames says, I wonder who's first. Laugh out loud at 6:53 a.m. Well, I wonder, honey. I believe you do have it. And I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into this. And first of all, I want to say that the choice items are live, and these are the choice items, again, for the BoxyCharm Premium December box. So the first thing is the Bite Beauty Nighttime Agave Lip Treatment. This is valued at $28. You could either choose this or the Skin Fix Incorporated Dermatitis Face Balm. I think that's how you say that. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, the value of this is $38. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Purple or Blue TV. Purple or Blue TV says, lovely spoilers. Well, thank you, Purple or Blue TV. I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. You'll be on top of them all. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.